Nauyaca Waterfall office. I've gone with friends Will and Julian from All Out Motorcycle Tours. This was a special get-together. It's been a long time since I've seen these guys. So leaving the office, it is a 6-kilometer trek if you want to hike it on foot, which obviously we did not want to do. This is considered summertime in the high season here in Costa Rica. So some people make the decision to go 2 kilometers in and use the parking lot inside the park and hike the rest of the 4 kilometers. Considering I am still rehabilitating after my surgery, we decided that the tour shuttle would be the best thing to do. So here we are, we're passing the parking lot. You can see some hikers down the road here. And as you'll see from this video, there are a lot of steep and bumpy grades, up and down, lots of little creeks, things like that. And in the heat of the day, this is some pretty exhaustive hiking for people. The driver of our shuttle, who's also the tour guide, his name is David, and he was so much fun. I learned a lot from him, and we laughed a lot. Here on the left, you're going to see the owner's house. He's lived here for years. And then we go through the little gate. We're now about halfway. And we travel through some of the most beautiful landscapes I've ever seen. The mountains with fog rolling over the top of them, little clouds and everything everywhere. David was saying so many times when he goes back and forth on this trip, he has to pick up people that have some heat exhaustion or different kind of little medical conditions if they have been trying to hike the way to and from the falls. Yeah, a 4x4 is definitely a must. A regular car would not be able to make it to the waterfall on these roads. Many of them are just at an incline that is extremely steep. It was such a beautiful day. This bridge is so cool. The Baru River actually empties out into the ocean down in Dominical, which is that direction. Some properties in this area, as you'll see, there's like a little gate here, and then it goes down kind of a steep driveway to some houses. And this is a fun little area where 2 cars can't really pass, so they have to kind of communicate with walkie-talkies so that they know who is where on the tour road. Getting closer. of the railings and the wonderfully crafted steps make it easy for just about anybody to get to the waterfalls. There are two waterfalls. There's one that goes to the right from the path, as you will see here in just a moment. There it is. I can make it this far. I used a cane part of the way, but because of the railings it made it much easier for me. These are stairs going down to the second waterfall, which you'll see in a moment. And the one down below, the second one, to the left of the path, actually has a beautiful pooling area that a lot of people go swimming in. Here we are. You can see the first falls in the background, and here are the second falls in the foreground. You get to spend 2 hours in the falls here, and we had a fantastic time. So tickled to see these two guys. It's been a long time, and thank you very much, you guys. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell to get notified when I upload new content. So we'll see you next time on my jungle journey. Pura vida!